Nikki on our EgiptEgyptianne collection, and we're back with another video. Today's video, guys, we're doing body butters, but I don't know, I think I kind of made my body butters too greasy, so I tried my best to put the last bit of arrowroot in them. So we gonna see. And for some reason it's hardening that. I don't know what it's doing. Trying to move it down so I can pipe it up. Oh, y'all, found my piping bags. The goal with the piping bag is to at least make enough. Hold on. They're not supposed to be in this. Oh my God. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. They're not supposed to be in this container. They're not supposed to be in this container. I'm so mad, y'all, because I cannot waste this product because I gotta fill all 5. I am so mad. These are for my sugar scrub. Y'all, I am gonna make sure ain't nothing getting wasted. You gonna get every last worth of it. And I can't fill them to the top, so like I said, I'm gonna do what I gotta do. Alright. We're gonna cap this one. Save myself. Save myself. If I have some left over, I will be putting some in them sample jars. I'm gonna get everybody ready. Shoot. Glad I caught myself. Alright, we're back, y'all. Glad I caught myself. I'll be back, y'all. I smell like candy cane, y'all. Gotta wipe them down. They're looking so good in them drawers. I got 3 down. 1, 2, 3, 4. How far to go? See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I got 1 more to go. Hopefully, y'all. Hopefully, I have enough. Because when I measure it to have enough. Because I knew why. Oh my God, this is where I'm gonna get nervous. This is where I'm gonna get nervous. This is where I'm gonna get nervous. Cause now, this little bit I thought that I was gonna have was gonna be for the last one. Now I gotta make Why is it doing that? But I had it. But I had it. I'm like, why is it doing that? Like, and this is where I get nervous, because now I'm at the last one. I'm at the last one, and I gotta use all of it. I think I'm gonna be good, but I'm not for sure. I think I'm good, y'all. I think I'm good. It smells good. Alright. It's all about the control you have on it too as well. And just like that, we have a sample. So y'all, this excludes the video. I had so much fun making this. I just finished my peppermint body butter and my peppermint sugar scrub. So y'all, I will be back with another video. Bye.